Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the syllabus of MSc Chemistry, Sem 2nd. So let's start. Sem 2nd, Paper 5th, Coordination Chemistry. Unit 1, Electronic Spectra. Introduction of electronic spectra of transition metal complexes. Derivation of term symbols for group and for ground and excited state of TN configuration. LS coupling, JJ coupling, microstates, types of experimental recording of the spectra, selection rule for ligand field and charge transfer transition in metal complexes, relaxation selection rule, nature of electronic spectral band, band width, band intensity, and factors influencing band shape, John Taylor effect, spectrochemical series, Nephloxytic effect, Nephloxytic effect, electronic spectra of transition metal complexes of the type MH2O N N+, spin free and spin paired ML6 complexes of other geometrics with suitable examples. Spin forbidden transition and effect of spin orbit coupling, evaluation of dq, p, and beta parameters, numericals, Oracle diagram, D1 D9 states, and Tanabe Sugano diagrams of D2 and D8 configuration of an octahedral environment, charge transfer spectra and its mechanism, intensity of change transfer band. This is all about the Unit 1, Part A. This is Part B of Unit 1. Fundamental equations in molecular magnetism, magnetic susceptibility, and magnetic moment. Diamagnetic and paramagnetic behavior of transition metals complexes of different geometrical factors affecting the magnetic properties, temperature dependence of paramagnetism, and temperature independent of paramagnetism of complexes. High spin, low spin, crossover, abnormal magnetic properties, orbital contribution, and quenching of orbital angular momentum, spin orbit coupling, magnetic interactions, ferromagnetism, and antiferromagnetism, homologous magnetic moment and magnetic exchange coupling, magnetic property of polynuclear complexes, magnetic moment, electronic spectra, and structure of tetrahedral cobalt complexes, tetrahedral and octahedral Ni2 complexes. Unit 2nd, reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes 1. Classification of inorganic reactions. Energy profile diagram with terminology includes transition states or activated complex. Substrate, attracting reagents, electrophilic and nucleophilic. Reactivity of metal complexes, ligands, replacement reaction. Classification of mechanism and energy profile of reaction. Inert and labile complexes. Interpretation Interpretation of liability and inertness of transition metal complexes on the basis of VBT and CFT. Factors affecting the liability of a complex transition state or activated complex substrate, attracting reagents, electrophilic and nucleophilic, kinetic of octahedral substitution, acid hydrolysis, factor affecting acid hydrolysis, base hydrolysis, conjugate base mechanism, direct and indirect evidence in favor of conjugate mechanism, annihilation reaction, reaction without metal ligands bond cleavage, reaction of coordination ligands, metal molecular rearrangement complexes, geometrical linkage and optical isomerization reaction, ligand stereospecificity. This is all about the unit second. Now, unit 3, reaction mechanism of transition metal complex 2. Substitution reactions in square planar complexes, the transition effect, trans directing series, cis effect, steric effect, solvent effect, effect of living room, effect of charge, effect of nucleophiles, effect of temperature, trans effect theory, use of trans effect, mechanism of substitution reaction in platinum 2 complex says electron transfer reaction, types of electron transfer reaction, condition of electron transfer, and mechanism of one electron transfer reaction, outer sphere and inner sphere mechanism, two electron transfer reactions, complementary and non complementary reaction, tunneling effect, cross reaction, Marcus Huss theory, bridge activated mechanism, synthesis of coordination compound using electron transfer reaction, photochemical reaction of cori- sorry, corium, chromium and ruthenium complexes. Unit 4th, metal pi complexes. Metal carbonyl structure and bonding structure and bonding structural elucidation of metal carbonyl by IR and carbon 13 NMR spectra. Important reactions of metal carbonyl. Metal carbonyl cluster with reference to classification, ENA rule, synthesis and structures, application of Wilkinson's catalyst and Vaska compounds. Metal nitrosyls. Nitrosylating agents for synthesis of metal nitrosyl, vibrational spectra and X-ray diffraction studies of transition metal nitrosyl for bonding and structure, elucidation, importance reaction of transition metals, nitrosyl, structure and bonding. Third part, fluxional organometallic compound. Fluxionality and dynamic equilibria in compound such as eta 2 olefins, eta 3 allyl and dinyl complexes. Unit 5, Bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry. Overviews of bioinorganic chemistry, biological roles of alkali metal ions, ligands, ion transport across the members, classification as enzymatic and non-enzymatic metals, enzymatic redox metals such as CuSOD, and enzymatic non-redox metals such as Z and hydroxylase. Bioinorganic chemistry of iron. Hemoglobin and myoglobins, their structures and functions, their coordination geometry and electronic structures, trigger mechanism, introduction to FES proteins, electron transfer proteins, rubridoxin, 2Fe2S, ferredoxin, 4Fe4S and 48Fe8S proteins, transport proteins, and storage proteins. Oxygen, oxygenation reaction, Hill constant, and Bohr effect. Bioinorganic chemistry of cobalt, vitamin B12, its structure, and biochemical functions and mechanism of action. This is all about the unit, paper 1, all 5 units. Now, now, next paper is organic chemistry 2. Unit 1, addition to CC and CX multiple bond. Mechanistic and stereochemical aspects of addition reaction involving electrophiles, nucleophiles, and free radicals. Orientations and stereochemistry. Addition to cyclopropanes, hydroboronation, oxymercuration and Mitchell reaction, aldol condensation, Noble-Giles reaction, hydrolysis of ester and amide. Second, mechanism of molecular rearrangement. Classification and general mechanistic treatment of electrophilic, nucleophilic, and free radicals molecule rearrangement. Mechanism of the following rearrangements. Rearrangements of electron deficient carbons. Wagner, Mervin, Pinacol, Pinacolan, Tiffany, Demch, no, ring expansion. Rearrangement of electron rich carbon. Neighbor and Steven rearrangements. Rearrangement of electron deficient nitrogen. Beckmann, Hoffman, Curtis, Lucene, and Smith rearrangement. Unit 2nd. Free radical reaction. Radicals anion and radical cations. Types of free radicals reactions. Free radical substitution mechanism at an aromatic substrate. Aliphatic substrate reactivity of bridgehead position. Neighboring group assistance. Reactivity for aliphatic and aromatic substrate. Reactivity in attracting radicals. The effects of solvents and reactivity of allylic carbon. Hydro, hydroxyl, hydroxylation at an aromatic carbon by means of Fentos reagent, oxidation of aldehydes to carboxylic acids, chlorosulfonation, sulfuration, Ritz reaction, coupling of alkynes and arylation of aromatic compounds by diazonium salt, Sandmeyer reaction, free radicals rearrangement, Huns-Dicker reaction, singlet oxygen, its generation and reaction with organic substrate. Proton deoxygenation, McMurray coupling. Unit 3. Photochemistry. Interaction of radiations with matters, types of excitation, rates of excited molecules, quenching quantum efficiency, quantum yield, transfer of excitation energy, actinometry, photo-induced energy transfer, FRAT, singlet and triplet state, experimental method in photochemistry of carbonyl compound and transition, Nourish type 1, Nourish type 2 reaction, Petrano-Pucci reaction, photoreduction, photochemistry of enons, hydrogen abstraction, rearrangement of unsaturated ketones and cyclohexadiens, photochemistry of parabenzoquinone, dipymethane, photochemistry of aromatic compounds with reference to isomerization, addition, and substitution photochemical isomerism of cis and trans alkenes, photochemical cyclization of reaction, photofreeze rearrangement, phototherapy reaction of analytes, fluorescence based sensor, conversion of solar energy to chemical and other form of energy, solar photovoltaic cell. What I say. Unit 4th. Unit 4th. Pericyclic reaction. Molecular orbital symmetry. Frontier orbitals of ethylene. 1,3-butadienes. 1,3,5 hexatriens. Allyl system. Classification of pericyclic reactions. FMO approaches. Woodward's-Hoffmann correlation diagram method and perturbation of molecular orbital. Approach of pericyclic reaction. Under photochemical conditions, electrocyclic reactions con rotatory and disrotatory motion 4n and 4n plus 2 system with more emphasis of 2 plus 2 and 4n plus 2 cycloadditions of ketones secondary effect in 4 plus 2 cycloaddition stereochemical effects and effects of substituent on rate of cycloaddition reaction 1,3 dipole polar cycloaddition and chelotropic reaction. Sigmotropic rearrangement, suprafacial and intrafacial shift involving carbon meiosis, retentions and inversion of configuration 3,3 and 3,5 sigmatropic rearrangement. Cleanson and crop rearrangement in reaction, floxional tautomerism, sigmatropic migration of carbons. Unit 5th, Green Chemistry. Designing of green chemistry, choice of starting material, choice of solvent, basic principle of green chemistry, preventions of waste byproduct, maximum incorporation of reactant, starting material and reagent into the final product, rearrangement reaction, addition reaction, substitution reaction, elimination reaction, prevention of minimization of hazardous product, designing of safer chemical synthesis involving basic principles of green chemistry. Some examples: synthesis of styrene, synthesis of urethane, free radicals bromination, synthesis of paracetamol, synthesis of ibuprofen. Microwave induced green synthesis, oxidation of toluene, synthesis of clones, Fry's rearrangement, Diel-Alder reaction, hydrolysis of benzyl chloride, aqueous phase reaction, Heck reaction, benzoic condensation, Mitchell reaction, biocatalyst in organic synthesis, ionic liquids, and green solvent. Paper 7 Physical Chemistry 2. For Unit 1 Chemical Dynamics, Kinetics of Complex Reactions, Chain Reaction, H2 plus Br gives twice HBr. Thermal and photochemical reaction. Homogeneous catalyst, acid base and enzymes. Oscillating reaction. Below saw Zabotinsky reaction. Lotka Volterra mechanism. The Brusellator and Oregonator. Fast reaction. General feature of fast reaction, stopped flow method, relaxation method, nuclear magnetic resonance method, flash photolysis numericals. Unit 2 Quantum Chemistry. Construction of molecular orbital by LCAO for H2 plus ion, calculation of energy level from wave function, physical picture of bonding and antibonding wave functions, concepts of orbitals and their characteristics. Hybrid orbitals sp, sp2, sp3, calculation of coefficient of AO used in hybrid orbital, Huckel theory of conjugated system, bond order, and charge density calculation. Application to ethylene, butadiene, cycloprophenyl radicals, cyclobutadiene numericals. Unit 3 Micromolecules. Definition of macromolecules, types of polymers, random coils, configuration of macromolecules, electrically conducting molecular wires, fire resistance, liquid crystal polymer, kinetic of polymerization, mechanism of polymerization, stability of biological polymer, applications of polymers. B. Number average and mass average molecular mass determination by osmometry, viscometry, ultracentrifugation, light scattering, and size exclusion chromatography method, and numericals. Unit 4 Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry of a solution. D. By Huckel's on Sager treatment and its extension. Ion solvent interaction, bioelectrochemistry, introduction, threshold member phenomena, Nernst-Planck equation, Hooke-Huxley equation, core conductor models, electrocardiography. B part, the rate of charge transfer, the Boulter-Wolmer equation, the lower overpotential limits or the high overpotential limits, Tafel plots, voltammetry, concentration polymerization, concentration polarization, experimental technique, corrosion, types of corrosion inhibitors, corrosion monitoring and prevention method, numericals. Unit 5 Statistical Thermodynamics. Thermodynamic probability, most probable distribution, Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, Fermi direct Fermi Dirac statistic, distribution law and application of two metals, Bose instant distribution law and application to helium. Partition function, transitional, rotational, vibrational, and electronic partition functions. Calculation of thermodynamics property in the terms of partition functions, applications of partition function, and numericals. Unit Next paper optical method and environmental chemistry. Unit 1 optical method. Spectrophotometry and colorimetry. Brief introduction of topic applications of spectrophotometry method for study of composition and color complexes. Multi, Multiple analysis, PK value of indicator, etc. Photometric titration, application of quantitative and qualitative analysis problem. Principles, plane polarization and circularly polarized rays, optical rotations, optically active molecule, optical theory, instrumentation, and applications of fluorometry, nephelometry, turbidimetry, polarimetry, and refractometry. Unit 2nd, flame emission and atomic spectrometry, flame photometry, elementary theory of flame photometry, instrumentation and experimental technique, interference, analytical technique and application, atomic absorption spectrometry, introduction, principle, advantages of atomic absorption spectrometry over FES instrumentation, flame atomization, hollow cathode lamp, interference and application. Comparison of atomic absorption with atomic emission method. Next unit 3, water pollution. Origin of wastewater types, water pollutant and their effects, sources of water pollution, domestic, industrial, agriculture, soil and radioactive waste as sources of pollution. Objectives of analysis parameter for analysis color, turbidity, total solid, conductivity, acidity, alkalinity, hardness, chloride, sulfate, fluoride, silica, phosphate, and different form of nitrogen. Heavy metal pollution, public health significance of cadmium, chromium, copper, zinc, lead, manganese, mercury, and arsenic. General survey of instrumental technique for the analysis of heavy metal in aqueous system. Oxygen content of water and aquatic life. Measurement of DO, BOD, COD, and their significance as pollution indicator. Pesticides as water pollutant and analysis. A brief idea of coagulation and flocculation. Unit 4, air pollution. Sources and sink of gases pollutant, classification of air pollutant, effect of air pollutant on living and non-living things, sources of air pollutant, air quality standard and sampling, analysis of air pollutant, CO, CO2, NOx, and SOx, S2S, NH3, and hydrocarbons and particulates, greenhouse effect, acid rain, ozone depletion, and their consequence on environment. Effects of air pollution, photochemical smoke, and monitoring air pollution. Unit 5, soil pollution and pesticide analysis. Chemistry of soil irrigation of influent, agriculture pollution, role of micronutrients in soil, trace element analysis in soil, pesticides and pollution, sources of pesticide, reduce residue in the environment, classification of degradation by natural forces, effect of pesticides residue in life, on life, analytical technique for pesticide residue analysis, DTT problem, radiation pollution, classification and effects of radiation, effects of ionizing radiation on man, effect on non-ionization radiation on life, radioactive and nuclear fallout, protection and control from radiation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching once again. Bye. Take care.